day 3 of our ELA Skills practice. That means the 3 parts are my sort words, my fluency passage, and my Sitten spelling and word skills book. We're going to do page 55 today. First, I'm going to show you what you're going to do for your sort as a reminder. Second, I'll show you what we're going to do for your fluency passage. I have a new little game you could play. And then we'll do page 55 together. So for your sort, the very first step is sort out your words. Today's a day when you'll practice spelling them. So just going to pick up a word. I'm going to read it. Page. I'm going to spell it P-A-G-E. Now turn it over. See if I can remember how to spell it for my spelling practice without peeking at it. You could choose from 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways to practice your words. I also have a 5th way, which is rainbow writing. Watercolor words. You could do rainbow writing, or you could do it as fancy writing, or you could do it as block letters, if you know how to do block letters, or you could do it as pyramid, the way I showed you. So it doesn't matter which way, just choose your favorite. You want to do that for at least 10 of your words. All right, that is how to do your sort today. So for your fluency passage on day 3, we practice reading the words on the back. These are not your spelling words. These are words for you to read. You do not need to practice spelling these. But what I did was kind of fun today. I took all the words from this column and I wrote each one on a little piece of paper. I happen to have little circles. And I wrote each one: shape, shake, shame, shade, shave, shale, share. Shale is a type of rock. I took it from chocolate chip cookies. Then I took these and I crumbled them up, turned it into a fish in a pond. And I put all my fish in this pond right here. And then I made a fancy little fishing pole and I went fishing. Oh, okay. And the first fish I caught, I see it moving around in there, was this one. I take it out. Oh, and I'm going to read it. If I read it correctly, and I can read it, I'm going to get to keep the word. Shade. If I can't read that word, or I'm not sure what it is, I have to toss it back in the pond. Okay? Toss it back in the pond until I can pull them all out and read them. If you need help reading them, you can always go hang out with me, or you can ask an older sibling or a parent who's there. But you could also call me. Okay. Fishing for your words. And then here's page 55. Not too challenging today. To make most words mean more than one, add S. So here's a bird. Here are some birds. So this is just matching up. You read it. This says one hat. And you find the one hat and draw a line to it. So you just find, it just says draw a line from the words to the picture. Here it says 2 coats. They're on the other side. So I have to go like that. So I'm going to start drawing some lines, and you can draw some lines. So it says 1 hat, 2 coats. If you can't read it, you could wait and see what's left over and what might make sense. So we're going to read this together. This is the number word for the word for. For. Doesn't that seem like it should say O's? This is shoes. This O-E sounds like ooh. 4 shoes. Where are the 4 shoes? Oh, there they are. They're up top. So if you'd like to pause the video and try it on your own, you may do that. And then start it up again. And I'm going to do all of the answers right now. If you'd like to just follow along, you can follow along too. 1 mitten. 1 mitten. O-N-E says 1. 1 sock. TWO. That is the number word for two. Two, sh, ts. Two shirts. Two shirts. That's another number word. Two slippers. Two slippers. Another number word. Two mittens. Two mittens. We're going to go the other side. Another number word. One shoe. That OE sounds like ooh. One shirt. One shirt. A new number word. Five belts. Five belts. The number word four, F-O-U-R, is the number word four socks. Four socks. One O-A usually sounds like a long O. One coat, because usually the first vowel says its own name. Here's a new number word. Three. Three hats. Three hats. One slipper. There's the one slipper. And one belt. And here is the one belt. So there it all is. Really, this is about reading number words and reading words that are plurals. So when you add an S to the end of the word, sometimes that is because you're making it a plural. Okay, you can pause this as long as you need to, and then do your other ELA skills practice.